In this video, I'll show you how to find your saved videos on TikTok. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it too. So you have different options to interact with a video inside TikTok. Of course, we all know how to like a video. You can also comment a video and add what you think of the video or whatever it is that you want to comment. You can save the video, which you're gonna do right here on this little icon that you see right here on yellow. And you can also share a video. So I'm gonna quickly show you how to find all the TikTok videos that you have saved over time. So let's say you liked this video and you saved it to watch it later. It's going to automatically turn into yellow. And to find the video, what you have to do is simply go back to your profile. This account does not have any videos, but to see the saved ones, what you can do is select this icon right here. It's going to be right under Add a Bio, and here you will see the video that you saved. And of course, you will see any other videos that you have saved in the past. And that's it. I hope this guide helps you.